Hello all. Today we are going to make a continuation of the previous video only. In the previous video, we worked with some libraries. In that is, we are making some explanation of libraries. In this video also, we are going to make explanation of some other different libraries like RE and collections. For that, initially we have imported. First, we can see about RE. So for that, we have imported the RE library, which is going to work with the regular expressions. So for that, here we have made this example in case of three cases. That is, first we are going to find all digits in a string. That is, this by using this function in the RE library, we can find if we are giving a string, if it is having any integers or numbers, means it will only display, the words will not be displayed. For that, we are giving the re.findall function, and then we are making to display it. So now you can notice the difference, like the number is only displayed, the words in this string was not at all displayed. So this is the first function used in RE. So the second function is SUB, that is, it is going to replace all the digits with asterisk. So 100 means, in that case, 3 asterisks will be found. 50 means 2 asterisks. That is, all the digits will be replaced by asterisk. That is, for example, if 100 means not only 1, 100 will not take as a 1 count. It will be taken as digits. That is, 1 as a digit, 0 as a digit, and another 0 as a digit. So for that, we are using the sub function, and we are making to display with the print function, like text with numbers are replaced. So now you may notice that the price is that 100 is replaced by 3 asterisk dollars, and this 50 is replaced by 2 asterisk and then cents. So this is the second function used in regular expressions. The third function used in regular functions is find all, but this thing in this find all, it is going to, previously we found only the numbers. For that, we gave the like this we have given. Now we are changing to this, and in this case we will just display the words in the text. Now we may notice, means only the words in the text is displayed. So find all, you can make use like within two different ways. One is to display only the numbers or integers. In the other case, to display only the words. So this is the use of the RE library. Next, we are going to work with this collections library, which is going to work with some specialized data structure. So first, we are going to import this collection library. Then for here also, we are making some three different uses of this collection library. So first, with the counter function with the collections library. For that, we are making some certain list. So in this list, we are making some one or two apples or orange and bananas also. There is different count. And now we are going to make its output to display within the print function. So in the print function, here if you notice, means apple we are having 2 counts, banana is having 3 counts. By using this counter, it will count how many counts this apple is having, and in the output it will be displayed by like apple 2, orange 1, banana 3. So here if you notice, means it is displayed. So it is displayed from the highest count to lowest count. So this is the use of the counter function in collection. Then we are making use of the default dictionary function in collection. So for this also we are using this list only. So in this list we are going to that is add one apple and one two bananas. In this case, here it in the default dictionary it will be like apple 1 and banana 1, and then we are printing it. So printing only will give this result. Then the third here we are using 5 functions. I just say the 3 functions only. The 3 is the deque, that is it is a double-ended queue for fast appends and pops. So within the deque, we are giving a queue like 1, 2, 3, 4. So within this queue, if you have to add to the left means you have to give up and left. Right means you can just give up and, no need to give up and right and all. Up and, because previously we will be seeing, we would have saw in list, I think linked list, something. So in that, to add a function, to add a new variable, we have to give the append, and to remove we will give remove, no, like the likewise, here we are giving up and left and append. So up and left, if you admit, so this is the original queue we are having. So here you may see this is the original queue. So up and left, in that case the 0 will come here. So 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this will be the output of up and left. When you give up and means this 5, it will be added to the right. So 4, additionally 1 5 will come. So this is the output for deque. That is up and in deque there is again two operations like up and left and append. So this is the description for collections and RE. In the next video we will be seeing the descriptions of some other libraries. Thank you.